Welcome back, construction buddies. Today, we're tackling one of the most overlooked but absolutely vital parts of any construction project, protecting trees, structures, and those sneaky underground utilities. Did you know a simple mistake can cost you thousands in fines or even halt your project? Stick around because we're diving into pro tips, tech hacks, and insider secrets to protect your site better, faster, and more cost-effectively. Whether you're a rookie worker bee or a seasoned queen bee in the field, this video is packed with buzzworthy tips to save your project and your wallet. First up, let's talk trees, nature's skyscrapers. Many trees are protected by law, especially those with historical or environmental significance. Before you even think about swinging that chainsaw, check with your local council for protection orders. Fencing off the tree's roots and keeping equipment far away is a must. Why? Because damaging a protected tree can lead to fines that'll sting worse than a bee swarm, not to mention harming the environment. Mark tree protection zones, TPZs, with bright tape and signage so everyone on site knows where the no-go zones are. Next, those neighboring buildings and structures, don't let your project buzz its way into disaster. Install vibration monitors and barriers to keep your work in check, especially during demolition or heavy equipment use. Regular structural inspections can catch cracks or shifts early. Trust us, repairing damage is way costlier than preventing it. Use soft digging techniques near old foundations, it's gentler and safer. Now for the underground labyrinth, utility services. Before digging, always dial before you dig or use a similar service. Ground-penetrating radar and electromagnetic locators are your best friends. Mark those lines with standard color codes like red for electrical and blue for water. Keep a utility map on site at all times and update it as the project progresses. Why? Striking a gas line isn't just expensive, it's dangerous. Back to our leafy friends, let's talk TPZs, tree protection zones. These are sacred areas around trees where construction is off limits. Use fencing and avoid piling materials or driving heavy machinery nearby. Consulting an arborist can also give you insights into keeping the tree healthy during the project. When in doubt, stay as far from the drip line as possible. That's the edge of the tree canopy. Excavation can be tricky. To avoid harming roots or nearby foundations, use air spading or hand digging techniques. For added protection, consider retaining walls or root barriers. Pro tip, plan excavation routes carefully to minimize disruption, because prevention is better than fixing a cave-in. Want to streamline site planning? Geographic Information Systems, GIS, to the rescue. These digital tools help overlay maps of utility lines, tree zones, and structures in one place. Update regularly for accuracy and avoid conflicts. Pro tip, think of GIS as your hive's blueprint. It keeps everything buzzing smoothly. Utility marking isn't just a task, it's an art. Use durable paint and flags to ensure visibility throughout the project. Double-check with utility providers before starting work. Pro tip, invest in weather-resistant markers. Rain can wash away your markings and your peace of mind. Protect yourself legally by documenting everything, permits, inspections, and protective measures. This not only keeps you compliant, but also builds trust with clients and stakeholders. Pro tip, hire a legal bee consultant. If you're navigating complex regulations, it's worth the investment. Even the best plans can buzz out of control if your team isn't trained. Regular safety briefings, clear signage, and site maps keep everyone informed. When your workers know the why and how, mistakes become rare. Pro tip, visual aids like charts and diagrams are your secret weapon. Everyone learns better with pictures. Finally, let's get futuristic. Modular root shields, wireless vibration monitors, and LiDAR for utility detection are game changers. These tools save time, reduce manual labor, and keep your site buzzing with efficiency. Pro tip, staying ahead with technology not only boosts your site's performance, but also your reputation in the industry. To wrap it up, construction buddies, protecting trees, structures, and utilities isn't just about following the rules, it's about building responsibly, safely, and sustainably. By planning ahead, using the right tools, and training your team, you're setting your project up for success. Remember, every choice you make impacts the environment, the community, and your project's future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Building Construction Buddies and hit the bell so you don't miss our latest buzz. Check out our other videos for even more expert tips and tricks to keep your projects flying high. Let us know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge with site protection? Until next time, keep building and keep buzzing.